First of all, please check your internet connection. Then log on to the FTP server. Click Start. Then click Computer. Place your mouse on the navigation bar and click once. You will see that the text in the bar is now selected. Press backspace to remove the selected text. Now you can type the address to the FTP server and access it directly from the file browser. Enter username and password. Click Log On. Go into Monthly Reports. Then go into the folder of the latest month. Locate the master.zip file. Drag and drop it to your desktop to download it. Unzip the Excel document and open it. Here you can see a chart that graphically shows you the number of mistakes per staff in your mission. The goal is to always be below 0.5 mistakes per staff. There are two categories of mistakes. 1. Technical mistakes, mistakes relating to the administrator assistant task list. And 2. Management mistakes, relating to the HRCO and admin task lists. Here is a list of the management mistakes. And these are the technical mistakes. Identify the country of your mission in the chart and check the number of mistakes per staff. The aim is to follow up and correct the mistakes in the database. To get more detailed information, click on the mistakes sheet. Now make sure that you're at the very left in the sheet. Each row represents a country, and each column counts the number of mistakes by type. Let's look at the number of expired trial periods as an example. Look at the row that represents the country of your mission to find the number of mistakes. Use the arrows to navigate to the sheet related to expired trial periods. Here you will see instructions of what you need to do. Scroll down to find the list of expired trials. To display only the country of your mission, select it from the drop-down list. Now you can see which employees are affected by this mistake so that you can easily find them and correct the information in the database. Going back to the mistakes sheet and proceeding to the right, you find the sum of all registered evaluations, planned as well as done. Compare the sum of evaluation planned with the sum of headcount. The sum of evaluations planned should always be equal to or greater than the headcount of your mission. Further to the right, we can find more columns counting different types of mistakes. At the end of the sheet, you will find a grand total as well as a calculation of mistakes per staff. Let's look at the calculation behind the management and technical mistakes. Select the cell in the management mistake column. Drag the bottom of the formula area to expand it. As you can see, the number of mistakes are added together, with the exception of evaluations. It calculates the sum of the headcount minus the sum of planned evaluations. Then, to calculate the number of mistakes per staff, we use the grand total and divide it by the headcount to get the result, which is the number you saw in the chart on the first sheet. And then the same kind of calculation is also done for the technical mistakes.